Welcome to Abaton.com, where we are addressing our knee PMS. Now we're working on knee stretching, so one of the things we want to do is stretch the joint and the capsule around the joint, which we often don't do with the knee, but it's super important. We'll go in a squat position. Now if you can't get in this position, you may need to have something to hold on to. But you want to get in this position and you want to hang out here. I'm talking a minute or two, just hanging out with your knees stretched. Now this is going to be really, really tight for some of you, and for some of you, you may have a lot bigger muscles than we do, and this may be a really difficult position to stay in. So if that's the case, then what you can do is you can find a chair or a bench, get one leg on it, and then you sit back on it and you stretch as much as you can. You should be able to comfortably sit back and bend that knee and stretch and sit or squat like we did and not have pain in your knee. If you're having pain or it feels really, really tight, you're probably too tight, and it could potentially be leading to some problems with the knee, especially if you're running or hiking. It's a great way to stretch out the capsule and the knee joint itself and get your knee loosened up and feeling really good. Along with bending the knee, we also want to straighten out the knee and make sure, for most of us, this won't be a problem, but you want to make sure knee out straight like you're doing our modified hamstring stretch. And instead of leaning way forward, you're going to put both hands on your leg just above the knee. So you're not pushing directly on the joint. And then you're just going to lean forward and just give a push and then come up off of it. And so you just want to go into it, stretch it, and kind of just bounce it a little bit. Not hard, you don't want to hyperextend and hurt your knee. Just a nice little weight bounce and off. Don't push hard, don't hurt your knee on this. Great thing to do for the knee and the joint and the capsule. So again, not hard, this is light, don't hurt your knee, but just nice light, bounce into it, don't put a lot of weight into it, get it stretched out.